went on a date in Dublin today, so spend the day with me. So I started off the day by taking a wee spin to this gorgeous wee place just outside Dublin city called Howth, and I brought my two gals who I've literally not seen in 2 years whenever we all lived in Bali at the same time. Like, it was so nice to catch up with them. But as soon as we started walking, it started bucketing down, so we're like, you know what, we're gonna go back to the pub, and I had a nice wee 0% Guinness. And then I went back to my accommodation where I'm staying for the next week in Dublin, and they kitted it out in Pride stuff. And this is such an ideal wee place to stay in the summer because it's so close to the city centre, like a 15-minute walk from Temple Bar, and it's such a reasonable price as well. Like, it's so good, and you can rent it out for a couple of days or even a couple of months throughout the summer because it's basically student accommodation, and obviously students aren't going to be here throughout the summer, so they rent it out to anyone who wants it. And it's literally got everything you need in the building. I got very kindly given the studio apartment, and my boy Dara right here got like his own bedroom, but then he got like a shared kitchen sort of area, which is still really cool and very spacious, so there is plenty of room for activities. It's called UniAcco Accommodation, and then there's me ready off on my little date that actually went very, very well, and I may or may not see him again, who knows. I will keep you posted as per.